My name is Shabnam Nasiri. My student number is 22703380. This is my video for Project 1, Testing Frameworks. I'm going to give an introduction on what is a testing framework. Testing is an important process in the software development, and it's used to ensure that the software is functioning correctly and it meets the specified requirements. The testing involves executing the software under different conditions and circumstances to identify the errors and verify that it works just like the specification. A testing framework is a platform that provides tools, libraries, and undefined rules to facilitate automated testing. It also helps the developers to write, manage their codes, and execute test cases more efficiently. By automating the tests, frameworks enhance software quality and save time compared to manual testing. PyTest is one of the testing frameworks for Python, and it's really simple to use, and it helps the developers to write and manage their codes. And it supports simple test writing. It supports different type of user. It's good for shorter script and also large scripts, large files, and it's really escapable. And it has such as powerful features like assertion that in order to use PyTest, we need an IDE. I already have Visual Studio Code, but for installing it, you just type Visual Studio Code and go to the first website that pops off, and you click on download for Windows or whatever is your operating system, and it automatically downloads it. And you also need to install Python. I also have it installed, so you can just go to the website and download the last version. I have this main file that I'm going to write my functions in. In order to use PyTest, we need to install it through pip. So we just write it in terminal, pip install PyTest. I already have it, so it's just showing me that it's satisfied. I'm gonna write my first function. So it's just a simple program to check the weather. If it's over 20, it's gonna return hot, else it's just going to return cold. To use PyTest, we have to write the name of our main file with the test. We need to import our function from our main file. Then we can write a PyTest. A test case actually. I'm going to use assert. Assert is just going to check the the function and the value, and if it's true it's gonna set it as true, and it's just gonna say it's a correct use case, and if it's false it's going to raise an error, like we can write multiple asserts in here with different numbers. We can run the PyTest file with PyTest main with the name of the file, so it all passed and it's true 100%. But we can check again. So as you can see, when I change it to 21 and cold, it should return 21 should return hot, and it's comparing it to cold, so there is an assumption error here.
So in conclusion, PyTest is one of the best testing frameworks for Python because it's easy to use, it's flexible, and it's powerful. It makes writing tests simpler while supporting complex testing needs compared to other testing frameworks like unit test, which is a built-in Python testing framework. And PyTest requires less code and it has more useful features and works well for both small projects and large projects. Advantages of PyTest is that it's not included by default. We have to install it by pip, and it's different from traditional testing frameworks like JUnit and NUnit. If someone is familiar with those, they should better go to unit test, and it does have some advanced features that require learning.